Have you ever had trouble ordering food at a restaurant in English? In this video, you will learn how to order food and ask for recommendations in a natural way.
Hello, welcome. Table for two?
Yes,
I'm sorry, we are full right now. It will be just a few minutes.
that's fine.
I'm starving.
Me too. I skipped lunch for this place.
Really? Then it must be good.
Thank you for waiting. Your table is ready. Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink?
I'll have a glass of white wine.
Just water for now.
Sure. I'll be back in a moment. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the salmon steak. What comes with it?
It comes with vegetables or rice.
I'll take vegetables.
I'll have the same. Do you have a recommended wine for this salmon?
White wine goes well with it.
Okay, I'll have a glass too.
Great choice. I'll be right back. Here is your order.
What is this?
That's the beef steak.
Sorry, we didn't order this. We ordered salmon.
Let me check. I'm very sorry about that. I'll fix it right away. Here is your salmon steak.
Finally, I'm so hungry. This looks amazing. Wow, this is really good.
Yeah, it was worth the wait. By the way, how did you find this place?
I saw it online. It had really good reviews.
Good choice. This place is really nice.
I'm glad you like it. I'm glad we came here.
How is everything?
It's great.
Would you like some dessert? Our chocolate cake is very popular.
That sounds good.
Let's share one.
Great! I'll bring it right away. Here's your chocolate cake.
It looks so good.
Let's try it. Wow, this is amazing.
Yeah, I love it.
Excuse me, can we get the check?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
So, how much tip should we leave?
Maybe around 10%?
Okay, that sounds good.
Here you go.
Thank you. The service was really good.
Yeah, let's leave a little extra.
Thank you very much.
How much did you understand? What do you recommend is a very useful phrase when you are not sure what to choose. You can use it in many situations like restaurants, shops, or even travel. It helps you get natural suggestions and continue the conversation easily. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.